back to the channel. I just want to go ahead and get straight into this video. I have already done my eyebrows and I've placed my primer on my face. So now I'm just gonna rub it in. I'm gonna be using the NYX Studio Photo Perfect Primer. This primer is like silicone. It's like so smooth. If you have oily skin, I probably would not use this primer. I would use more like a mattifying primer because it is like really silky, and I don't think that will mix well with oily skin. I've already done my eyebrows and primed my lids, but I've been up moving around, so as you can see, the concealer has like broken up. So I'm just gonna tap it and kind of get it back into place. Just take like a fluffy brush to blend out the corners. Just using the same tapping motion. Y'all, today is such a beautiful day. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, you can tell my lighting is so much better this time because it's so beautiful outside. My last video, like, I apologize again, you guys, because I waited so later, like in the evening, to like film, and the sun had went down and my lighting was just off, and I just could not show y'all that video like with that poor quality like that. I just couldn't do it. So the part where I braided my hair, I wasn't able to well, I filmed it, but it just didn't look good, so I didn't include it. So today's look, I honestly haven't decided what I'm gonna be doing, kinda. So we're just gonna freehand it. I kinda just wanna do something neutral though, nothing really bold. So I'm actually gonna be using my new Morphe palette. It is the Fierce by Nature 3503 palette, and you guys, I know this palette has been out for quite some time, but I'm just not getting it, so I'm like still excited. So this is what it looks like. It's so freaking pretty, like so freaking pretty. Like, this is summer, fall. This can be summer or fall. Like, the colors are just lit, and that's just that on that. So I really haven't decided what kind of look I want to do. Like I said, I really kind of just want to do something neutral with the eyes today. So I'm probably gonna play around with like these colors, like the neutrals that are in here, and a little bit of these browns maybe. Yeah, so go ahead and get straight into it. Gonna start with this color right here. I wonder how this color is gonna show up. I don't know if it's gonna be like orange or brown, but we can see. So I'm just starting right here in this crease, tapping it into place and kind of sculpting the shape that I want while doing so. Y'all, some days, like, even though I've been doing makeup for like a year and a half, like, I still have my days. Like, some days my eyeshadow turns out really good and I'm even like shocked and surprised, and some days I'm like, what the hell is this? Surprisingly, even if you do like if you feel like you did a sucky job on eyeshadow, once you put your lashes on, it changes everything. I cannot be the only one who thinks that or does that. Like, sometimes my eyeshadow looks are just hideous to me, and once I put lashes on, I'm like, I kind of like it. But yes, eyeshadow initially was one of my biggest like struggles, and some days, like I said, it still is, you know, trying to put the perfect colors together. It's all about the colors you pick, your blending skills, and just using your own creativeness to create a look. Brushes matter too, you guys. Like, I had to learn that too. Like, you can't like use a placement brush to blend, because it's just not going to blend as seamless and beautiful as you'd probably like it to. And what I mean by that is, like, if you're packing on color, you want to use something that's kind of firm, sturdy, that's going to help like really build that color into the place where you want it. And like for blending, you're going to want something a little bit more fluffy that moves and that's going to really blend the colors that you're going to be putting on. So my next color I'm going to go in with is probably going to be, so I use this one first, and I'm probably going to go on top of that with this color here. Or should I do this? Let's try this one first. If this one doesn't look good, then we'll do this one. What? I'm right here. Hey. Y'all, my neighbor is so nosy. Like, I'm literally filming. And the way my apartment is set up is facing the back. But I have like my window up so you can see in here. And I just have on my robe, and that's pretty much it. And she's so nosy. Like, hey. So I'm just gonna come right here and add that color that we talked about to kind of mesh the two colors together to create like a gradient effect. As I said, I just want this look to be kind of just natural, sun-kissed, soft, nothing too major because my hair is major. I know the last time, y'all, the last video I did, I was like doing a braid out, but I did get my hair done, you guys, yesterday, and I haven't showed it to y'all yet. Like, y'all don't even know what's under here. So I'm gonna kind of show you that today as well. So for like my brow area, I kind of just want to keep it matte. I don't really want to do too much. I don't think I know. I don't. So I'm just going to use this color right here on my brow area. Okay, so for my lid, probably going to use this right here. And I'm probably going to mix it with a little bit of this to lighten it up. Because I just want something neutral today. Neutral. Okay, so that is kind of dark a little. So I'm just going to put that right here on the lid area. And I'm just going to, oh, dang, I done dipped this in pink, y'all. I just put that light nude in the corner right here because I want to, you know, keep this area brightened and opened. So I'm just tapping. We're not really doing like a cut crease or anything today. Simple, natural. I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. This is the NYX matte liquid liner. I ordered this off of Ulta.com. Honestly, I am feeling kind of wingy today, but as y'all know, I struggle doing wings. Like, it's like I really want a wing today, but I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to mess anything up. Okay. F it. YOLO. Finna do it. I did it. I did it. Did I? Is it? Did I do it? I think I did. I think I did it. Ah, I gotta weave it. I gotta weave it. Let's see what we can do here. Oh God. Okay. Girl, I did a wing. Oh my God. You know what? Not bad, honey. I mean, it's really not that bad. You know, I suck at wings, but you know. Hey, hey. It's time for the lashes. I'm so excited. I did a wig. So these are the lashes I'm gonna wear today. So concealer for today is going to be the Estee Lauder Radiant Concealer in the shade 4W. I'm just going to place a little bit here. Put my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade 34 S medium sand in the corner right here. So now I'm gonna go in with my J.Cat setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. All right, so to contour, I'm using my Perfectionist concealer in the shade 6N by Estee Lauder. So this is the finished look. This is my natural neutral look that I was going for today. I am going to get dressed and come back and reveal my hair and the finished look. Okay, boo, so I am done with my makeup look. This is my hair, y'all. I totally stepped out the box and did something totally different as far as colors. I've always wanted to try blue, but you know, I've always been skeptical and scared. But you know, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell right beside subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I will be posting. As I said before in my last video, your girl is going to be dropping this content for you at least twice, maybe 3 times a week. So you definitely want to make sure that your notification bell is on so that you don't miss out on anything. I've been trying to come up with like different ideas to do. I know I do have a couple in mind. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. I'm probably going to be asking you guys some questions within the next few days so I can see what you guys want to see in this next upcoming content. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.